In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll feel confident reorganizing your project, so information appears exactly where you want it, in the order that makes the most sense for your work. Start on your project sheet in the standard grid view, so you can clearly see your rows. A row is simply a horizontal line of related information: tasks, owners, dates, checkboxes, and any extras you've added. Reordering rows is helpful for setting priorities, grouping related items, or moving recently updated tasks closer to the top for quick visibility. To move a row, find the one you want to relocate and move your mouse to the far left edge of that row, right over the row number area. That's the grabbable handle for the entire line. Click and hold your mouse button down and keep it held. While you're holding, drag the row up or down the sheet to where you want it to go. As you move, watch for the placement cue, a thin guideline that shows exactly where the row will land. When the line is in the right spot, simply release the mouse button and the row drops into place. Take a moment to be precise. If your sheet uses hierarchy, where some rows are parents and others are indented as children, the row will keep its relationship unless you drop it in a way that changes that context. Use the visual indentation on the left as your guide. If a section is collapsed, expanding it first makes it easier to see exactly where you're placing the row. The goal is to drop it where it naturally fits your structure. Everything attached to that row moves with it: cells, formatting, attachments, comments, and formulas. That means you don't have to copy anything over or worry about breaking links inside the row. If you ever see the row snap back instead of staying where you dropped it, that usually indicates the sheet is constrained by something like a sort, a filter, a lock, or limited permissions. In those situations, manual moving can be restricted, and the behavior is normal. After you drop the row, give the surrounding items a quick scan to confirm it's in the exact position you intended. If it's not quite right, don't worry. Just grab it again and drag it to a better spot. Smartsheet also supports undo for accidental drags, so mistakes are easy to correct. And that's it. Moving rows in Smartsheet is a simple, reliable drag and drop. With a little practice, you'll reorganize your projects in seconds and keep your work clear, prioritized, and easy to navigate.